1, 2, 3, come on.
Come on, come on.
Hello everyone, it's me Anita Mahajan, National Table Tennis Player from Nepal. It's been more than a decade, almost 15 years, that I had dedicated my life to table tennis. For me, table tennis is not just a sport, but an inseparable part of my life. This is just a beginning. I would like to promote this club, all of us and myself. Without the players, I can't promote what I had learned from all my gurus. Same way, I will teach you definitely. I will make you all players proud. Our club players will be participated national and international tournament and upcoming future. Today, we gather over here at my club to celebrate World Table Tennis Day. On this note, I would like to thank you all for a valuable presence and wishing you all a happy World Table Tennis Day. Keep supporting us, keep loving us. Thank you so much.
Let me introduce Anita Mahajan to the complete group because she is one of our key speakers for today.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Nice.
she is also awarded by ITTF. Her article has also appeared in ITTF publication. And she is based out of Kathmandu, Nepal.
Okay.
And from Anita, we would like to know what is the main project she is handling, in table tennis. That is the core idea of inviting Anita Maharajan for today's meeting. So we wanted to know about project that you are handling in Kathmandu now, the type of activities that you are doing.
Yes, sir. It's about aerobic table tennis, right?
So what is aerobic table tennis? What is that?
Aerobic table tennis is a fitness program designed to introduce newcomers to the Olympic sports of table tennis. And it is fun and exciting, and it is for both children and adults too. And the founder of the aerobic table tennis is Professor. He is from UK, and from that sector, I'm going to launch over here in Nepal, and I'm a partner's ambassador, promoter, and instructor as well.
So you are inviting only female players in this aerobic table tennis, or anyone can join?
No, sir, not females. They're male also, but adult also. Not only for female, everyone.
Right,
Everyone
right.
will be included, sir.
And how many participants you have? What are the number of participants these days?
These days it's about 15.
50. And what is
Most
your
of
target? Yes. What is your target this year? How many number of aerobic table tennis players you can have this year?
This year, this is the first time I'm going to launch.
Yes.
It's about 2 months. It's being 15. Might be this year I will do a lots of more than 1,000.
1,000. Oh, that's interesting. Yes, yes. Very interesting.
Not only in Nepal. Hope so I will do in a foreign country as well.
Okay, okay.
Not only in Nepal.
So you will be needing a lot of coaching team also with you to train 1,000 number of persons.
Yeah, I need a lot of people, and yeah, I do have my coaches
Okay.
and my brothers, sisters, my families, and obviously my club, APF team. Everyone is support to me. With the help of them all, I think I will do my level best of my project. So.
And if you will share some of your videos, in the group, or the videos of aerobic table tennis, then we can also, or if they are available in YouTube, then we can see those videos.
Yes, sir. After now short weeks, I will gonna upload on.
So you will be
After that, my again that my children will be together. Then we will do again a new drill so that I could post it.
Sir, is the screen visible to on the screen?
Yes, yes, visible.
So, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to all the participants. Today, as we are having our Zoom meeting on topic empowerment and gender equality through table tennis and or sport in general. So here is the presentation. First, have a look. And today we are having Anita Maharajan. She is from Nepal. She is our guest speaker. And these are the guidelines. This is a topic for the discussion. Empowerment, gender equality through table tennis sport in general. Mr. Ajay Dudeja sir, representative of Ping Pong Club, Delhi, and Mr. Lokesh Singh Bagri, PSIOS India. Both are the organizer of this Zoom meeting. These are the contents. After the presentation and the guest speaker presentation, there will be an open platform for asking questions. And after that, if you have any suggestions, you are welcome.
वीडियो ऑफ कर दो वीडियो ऑफ कर दो तो आप क्या
I had been celebrated my World Table Tennis Day with my family
Okay.
and especially with my coach.
Okay.
With the help of with the help of my coaches, my student, my family, I have success to open my club.
Yeah.
And on opening of before 2 months ago, it was being started, but officially on I have been established. And the target of the club is to just not to motivate only, just not to motivate only, but to develop a table tennis all over the world.
And how do you increase female number of players? What is the plan that you actually do so that more women can join your club? So what is that activity you are doing?
Activity. Firstly, we should be a real model. Like it will be better from the family. Firstly, if it's a problem on a family, then we should go for society. Slowly wise on society as well on society slowly just we can go through our step by step, but the single woman is really hard to work. So by step wise, first family, thereafter society, thereafter school, colleges, step by step. I think we have to go for the female empowerment, and especially on the topic of female empowerment. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
And how to develop means just we have a curriculum like not only male, female can also do, right?
Correct.
Like slowly we have to go on a processing like step by step. It's not
Step
like
by step. Right.
some.
This Dr. Sainath, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, now the main topic of discussion today is how to increase women players, number of players. That is the main topic of discussion of today. That if we have to increase number of female players, then how we can promote them and bring more female players into table tennis.
So
Yes.
it's my question or for Dr.
No.
Sainath?
I'm just discussing with Dr. Sainath because he is also playing with a woman player on daily basis. On every day, he's playing with his wife, his life partner, at home. Yes. So this topic I'm discussing with him, that how we can increase female number of players. I will share my example. What actually we did in Delhi during this World Table Tennis Day. We invited couple of females to play with us, and the first lady who came in the table tennis arena, we offered them a movie ticket. There was an Indian movie, Saina. It is also
Wow.
based. Yeah. It is based on life of a badminton player, Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is a badminton champion. So we first of all we offered a movie ticket to the lady who will be coming first into table tennis area. And second activity we did was that to the first winner, there is a very good restaurant by the name of Barbecue Nation, a very big chain of restaurant. I'm sure in Bangalore also they have branches, Barbecue Nation. So we offered a dinner prize with the winner of that female, so that more women can, come for participation of the play. This is second activity that we did. And we also printed Femme Empowerment ITTF t-shirts, because we are also one of the awardees of WTT Day in India, in New Delhi. So we printed the t-shirts of same color, same purple color, which is actually given by ITTF. And that t-shirts we distributed to every female player. And also if any female friend who actually came along with that lady, to that lady also we offered that t-shirt complimentary, and we did not charge any money, just to create the interest. Dr. Sainath?
Yes.
Yeah. So you would like to say something? How we can increase number of female players?
Yes. Only one thing just now. No, I would like to leave my comment to the last because so that I listen to all the people and then we can give a more sensible comment. One
Right,
thing
right.
I would like to say is this.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. If you want more female players to play, don't think you can increase the number by giving t-shirts and things like that. What you have to improve is the interest among women for table tennis. Giving dinner tickets, giving such things, or even giving a bat or ball, something is not going to increase the number of players. Players will increase only when their interest in the game is improved. So we have to start thinking what we can do to improve the interest of players in table tennis. That's all.
So can you suggest us any method so that we can actually create the interest of the player, or we can, bring them to a situation where interest is actually generated for female players?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Dr. Sainath.
Yeah, there is some problem in connection. I'm not.
Actually, we can hear you properly. We can hear you. No problem.
Sure. I'm just trying to see from my side.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now I can hear.
Okay. How to create interest of the female table tennis players? How we can increase their interest?
I don't have a clear-cut picture for what we have to do.
Okay.
What I personally think is, male or female, when it comes to sports, the interest in the sports is the same. As long as you make it interesting to people to play, you cannot make them play. No money, no attraction of awards, only the interest has to be created. How we are going to create the interest of women or men, that is what we have to sit and talk.
Okay, I'll come to Sandeep. संदीप आप सुन पा रहे हैं हमारे को? संदीप आप सुन पा रहे हैं हमारे को? संदीप नहीं, I think he is busy. Okay, now Anita, Dr. Sainath has suggested us that these free t-shirt, free dinner or free movie ticket, this will not create interest for the female player. What we have to do, we have to generate, or we have to create an interest to play sports or to play table tennis. This is what will actually give us more players who can join to play table tennis. This is his Dr. Sainath feedback.
Yeah, I would like to. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Two words we are using. One is empowerment. The other is equality, isn't it? In the
Yes.
title itself, we are talking about empowerment and creating equality. So we have to be very careful how we are using these things. Empowerment is giving authority or giving power. You cannot give any power to anybody unless the person is ready to take it, is capable of doing it, has all the skills necessary to conduct herself or himself on that. So the empowerment itself cannot come from outside. It has to come from inside. The person should be able to think, I can do this. Till then, no empowerment is possible. Second is equality. We are talking about equality. It's a very sensitive topic. Man, woman, equality. We have to be very careful in what words we use, what sentences we use. It can be misunderstood. The point is, there is no equality in anything. Every individual is an individual. I am not equal to you, you are not equal to me. My capacities are different, your capacities are different. Only our equality is we are human beings. That equality is there. But we have a right only to choose what we want to do. If I want to become a table tennis player, that is my choice. The freedom is there. But once I have taken table tennis as my title, I have to know I have no more freedom. I have to follow the rules of table tennis. After that, there is no freedom. So our freedom is only to select what we want to do. Once we have selected what we want to do, we have to follow the rules of whatever we have accepted. These two are required for any sports to improve. So that is what we have to think about. Thank you.
I believe in Anita, in Nepal, there is a lot of equality between men and women players, because a lot of business is also handled in Nepal by women in Nepal. Is it correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Yes. So that is one good thing in your country, that both the genders are treated as equal. So there is no discrimination or difference between male and female players.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And one good thing that we actually observed, it is from Pakistan. There is one gentleman, Mr. Arif. So to increase women number of players, they are doing a mixed doubles event on coming 3rd, 4th and 5th July. Can you hear me all? So to increase women number of players, the tournament itself is a mixed double event. So male player will also get the equal opportunity, and female player will also get the equal opportunity. So this is one method that we actually found out to be effective to increase the female number of players. So in your country also, I'm sure that once the things open up, if you do some mixed doubles type of event, then more female players can join your academy. They can come, female players can more come to your place. Okay, Anita?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So do you agree with this concept of mixed doubles to increase female players? Do you agree to this concept?
Yes, sir. It's absolutely good one. Good
Right.
concept. And in Nepal content, we can find experienced teachers. Hello.
I think your Wi-Fi.
Hello.
No, yeah, now we can hear you. We can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Lot of troubles today. We cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
Anita,
sir.
your voice
Disturbance
is
over here
clear.
for
Yes, disturbance.
yeah. But it's
Okay, Ajay sir.
Yeah,
totally
Lokesh.
disturbing. And it is not properly working as well.
Hmm. Sandeep? Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, sir. Fine.
You want to start your video or later you want to start your video?
Sir, video, if I want to ask anything, I can start then.
Okay. Actually, we want to increase number of female players. How to
Yes, sir,
increase?
I am hearing.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
main issue in Haryana is the कि वहां पे ना मेनली गर्ल्स के लिए बेस्ट इन्वायरमेंट नहीं होता.
तो गर्ल्स को क्या कोई डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट चाहिए? गर्ल्स को जो है
सेफ इन्वायरमेंट तो चाहिए होता है सर.
ओके, सेफ एनवायरनमेंट. राइट, करेक्ट. ओके.
सेफ और नियर टू हाउस मेनली.
Yes.
गर्ल्स तो यही चाहती है कि भाई जब भी वो अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखा सकते हैं.
Right. I'll come to Dr. Sainath. Dr. Sainath, our player Sandeep has made a remark that playing facility, table tennis hall should be near to women place. It should be near to women home.
That's yes, it's nice to hear, but practically it cannot be possible. The point is, we must be, if the person is interested, if a woman is interested in going to a gym or going to a restaurant or going to a bar or going to a fashion parade, they can go to any distance. Why they cannot come to play table tennis? So distance is not an issue. It is the interest that is important.
And the
How
second,
we are going to attract them.
and second
You
is
see, one point I want to make.
yes.
The most important thing is health. Okay? For health, you require exercise.
Yes, sir.
But exercise you can do by yoga or you can do it by gym. You can do it. But then the yoga and gym, they are not competitive. So they are not attractive. So we are converting exercise into sports. We want them into sports so that there are more attractive things. Competition is there, thrill is there, everything. So sports should be made such attractive for to play. That's exactly the point. How we are going to make sports more attractive for women, apart from other activities they are involved. If other activities are more attractive, they won't come to sports, they will go to others. So how we are going to make table tennis more attractive for every person? That is what is important, that we have to sit together and plan. Thank you.
The rule should
This
be
uh,
right to make female, whatever
Ajay sir.
Lokesh.
and one to female.
Actually, I just want to ask a question from Anita. There is a question. Is my voice clear to you? Okay.
To me?
Anita? Yes, to
Yes,
you
yes, sir.
especially.
Yes, sir.
Here is one of the question. How can we increase female participants in table tennis sport for abled body or para table tennis especially?
How can we increase?
Yes,
First
yes.
of all, we can find coaches who can share their experience in the area of coaching, right? And table tennis athletes with a disability as well, especially working with a woman and female. And table tennis female player with a disability will get involved in our sports. And they can have a basic needs, drive, dreams, as well as other athletes. And for them, well, coaching is curriculum factor, right? Hello.
We can hear.
Yes.
For them, well coaching is a curriculum factor to the quality of their sports experiments from the grassroots level too. And the challenges is to truly understand any female player able bodies or disability to focus on their abilities and to see what they achieve. So
Now, this second topic, which was raised by Sandeep, is that female players, they are always seeking a safe environment. Safety is the first topic for female players. Safety of women players.
yes, sir.
So the place has to be absolutely safe. There should be no molestation or no eve teasing for any of the female players. No one should, bother them unnecessarily.
Yes, sir. Firstly, I think from my viewpoint, firstly they have to give from family. Family is a prime sector, because if from family, if they are secure from family to, they will go for the they will go for their practices. Likewise, guideline. I mean, slowly. Likewise, from training sector, from society, like from every sector, they have to be a bit helps to get a better platform for the female players.
Thank you. Dr. Sainath?
Okay.
Dr. Sainath?
Yes.
Sandeep has made a point that the area of place of play, it should be safe. First of all, the safety is the most important concern.
See, safety is the most important concern throughout the country. It's not only in table tennis.
Overall.
I would like to think now, even males are more have to be careful of safety now than females. There are so many situations are changing, isn't it? 90% of rapes, they are not proved. What happens, we don't know. So the safety part is there for everybody. Male, female, everybody has to be safe. That is true. Why only table tennis? Everywhere.
Right.
I agree it should be there. There's no doubt about it. But then we have to see how, you see, the women today, they go to all sorts of places to do things. At night, they go 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, alone in taxi and everything, do all sorts of things because they want to do it. So our idea should be how we are to make women come to play table tennis. How are we going to create that interest in women to play? So one important point, maybe we ask a psychologist, what makes a woman to go for a sport? Some such thing. We have to know the reason and try to find a way how to reach out to the people whom we want to attract. Thank you.
And we are joined by Sadhana Agrawal.
Thank you.
Sadhana is our volunteer in New Delhi, and she has suggested us a new orphanage home where we are now considering to donate one table tennis table. And most important thing is because her home place is near to the orphanage home, so she can give voluntary coaching to those orphanage kids easily because it is near to her home. And we'll come to Sadhana that our topic is how to increase women number of players. That is our main topic of today.
So for that, I think, Ajay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. With me, there is Dr. Gaurav also, who is a resident of Motia Khan also. So there, only girls are there, that orphanage. So from there, we can promote it, we can give them practice. And I think that a good women player will come out from there.
Actually,
So-
Sadhana ji, our topic today is that how to increase number of women players. That is our main topic of today. For example, the idea which Dr. Sainath has earlier given, that if the interest is there for table tennis, for sports, she will automatically come. The lady will automatically come to play.
Yes, there are many restraints, because they are not so free. They don't have free time. They indulge in all homeworks and all household tasks and all. So they're not open to it actually, number one. So we should give them talks and we should bring them to the mainstreams and all like that. We can promote them. Whether if they know also, so many a times they give up. They give up. I've seen many a time. So this
Yeah.
needs lots of practice and everyday practice and all. So we can ask the women, the near about who are playing, who are interested. So we can do it. We can start.
The idea which Anita has given, Anita is from Kathmandu, Nepal. So idea
Okay.
she has given is, first of all, family has to support to a women table tennis player.
That's very, very true. Very true. She has a very good idea. Very good point is that there are restrictions from family side only. Right. And in school also, because in many public school, girls play, but in government school, it is not there. And girls they want to play actually, they want to come up in the sports and all, but they don't get support. That is the main thing.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
That is
So
the main.
family support is very important. But if we give them a safe environment, a safety environment, if we give, then family might support that. Okay, she can go out and then play.
Yeah, it's also a point. But how can you give that support? How can you give the guarantee?
No,
That is the point.
safe environment. The guarantee safe
Safe.
environment.
Ajay sir,
Yeah, Lokesh.
I have a question for both the female parties speakers, for Anita and for a man also. Being a coach, what are our should be qualities and what are the points you should take care during coaching for female as well as to make the environment safe, means according to their point of being a coach.
Their mental,
Hello.
the mental status also, we should make it strong. We should tell them that sports always make them strong, and थोड़ा सा उनके लिए
Okay.
mental, we should improve their thinking. I think I need,
Okay.
or we must develop a kind of confidence in them. Confidence if we give them, so they can very well do. I think so.
Okay.
So it is teacher makes everything.
and,
I'm a teacher also, so I know that.
Okay, correct.
Yeah.
And Anita, what about you? Means being a coach, how we can provide a safe environment for both child, for female as well as for
For male.
male one also. Both, because we are talking about gender equality, and empowerment is also there, but gender equality means both have equal opportunity to grow.
Yeah.
So how we can provide a safe environment for them, being a coach.
Actually, number one, I think we should also
Hello.
teach the boys also to respect the girls.
Yes,
That is
Correct,
the main-
correct.
First point.
Yes.
That's the motto. The topic is the discussion that we are having right now. The motto is that how we can teach new generation to how to be a good human being first,
So that's what I'm saying.
and
Teaching
respect
through stories and
teaching.
through, we
Right.
should give them guidelines. We should sit with them. We should spend some time with them. We should give them some kind of 5-10 minutes,
Correct.
half an hour. We should discuss with them. We should come out with their problems. We should come
Right.
out with their ideas and share our ideas. And through
Right.
stories also only we can
Right.
do this.
And
Thank you.
what about parents? How to deal with parents?
We can organize a session for the parents as well.
Right. All things are correlated with each other.
Definitely, definitely. We need to educate everyone.
Right.
Welcome
So,
to yeah.
Sir,
yes,
sir, we can
yes.
use the camera also.
What,
CCTV cameras.
Sandeep sir?
Sir, we can
Cameras.
use the CCTV cameras also.
But
Okay.
that is used
Right.
for the after event. Now we want that it should not start. Such kind of event should not take place.
We want to
Ma'am,
pre.
actually,
Right. Yes, Sandeep sir.
सर एक्चुअली मैं स्टार्टिंग में मैं नॉर्मल था. मेरा 2016 में ये एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. उससे पहले मैं 5 साल कोचिंग दे चुका हूँ, स्कूल में भी और एकेडमी भी थी मेरी. तो मैंने वहां पे कैमराज यूज किए थे. बच्चा एंटर करता था और वहां एग्जिट करता था. इतने टोटली वो कैमरा के रिकॉर्डिंग में रहता था.
जी.
तो अगर कोई भी इशू होता है तो हम वो कैमरे से रिकॉर्डिंग निकाल सकते हैं. तो अगर वो चीज पेरेंट्स को दिखता है तो पेरेंट्स अपने आप नॉर्मली सेफ हो जाते हैं उस जगह.
Good idea.
Okay. It should be a good tool.
Very true.
Right.
So, Anita, you are using CCTV cameras. You are using in your area. You are using.
Here, right now, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yes. Are you using CCTV cameras at your place?
It's being locked down over here. After this, after the lockdown is recovered, definitely I will use it, sir.
No. Are you using CCTV cameras? Security cameras are you using? Security cameras.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello. His audio is clear. Yes, sir.
हेलो.
Hello.
Who
Yes,
is
Sandeep sir. Audio is clear. Yes, Sandeep sir.
सर मैं जब तक नॉर्मल था तो नॉर्मल बंदों के लिए एकेडमी बहुत हैं, पर जैसे ही मैं व्हीलचेयर पे आया हूँ आफ्टर एक्सीडेंट, एक भी एकेडमी ऐसी नहीं है जो व्हीलचेयर एक्सेसिबल हो.
Yes.
किसी पे 12-13 स्टेप होती हैं कहीं पे पहुंचने के लिए. कुछ मतलब ऐसी कोई फैसिलिटीज नहीं है जहां व्हीलचेयर वाला बंदा पहुंच पाए. तो
Yes.
वहां पे लेडीज व्हीलचेयर वाली वो कैसे खेल पाएंगी?
Ramp, you mean ramp should be there, na?
Yeah.
रैम्प,
That should be ramp.
Ramp. Yes.
किसी जगह रैंप भी नहीं है, किसी जगह पैड़ियां है, किसी जगह एंट्रेंस इतना मतलब भीड़ा है कि मेरी व्हीलचेयर नहीं जा पाती.
Yes.
इस कारण मेरे को अपने घर पे ही टेबल मंगवाना पड़ा, जिसपे मैंने टेबल के लिए भी मतलब खर्च किया. तो इतना अफोर्ड भी नहीं कर पाते पैरा प्लेयर्स.
Dr. Sainath. Dr. Sainath.
Yes, you see, there are quite a few points which were talked about. One is family support.
Correct, sir.
Family support is needed not only for the girl, but also for the boys who play. It is not, see, the more we try to separate men and women differently in any aspect, we are asking for more and more trouble.
Correct.
The more we put them together as player. Once you enter into in old Gurukulam and other things, in the teachers student relationship, it was said, once you are in a class, you are neither a boy or a girl or a teacher, is by a man or a woman. You are all students. That's where the full stop should be made. We don't have a women player and a man player. We have players, and these players have to follow this rule. The more you try to separate them, for example, you allow women to come and work together. I agree, it's good. But then women start saying, no, we cannot come for night duty. If you give me for night duty, then you have to give me a taxi fare and this and that. You are creating more problem when they're differentiating things. You make them all as a single group. You want to play, these are the conditions. You have to follow it and then play. You see, there was a program, 60 Minutes program in television abroad, long time back, which said, because of this segregation of men, women players, all the sports scholarship went only to women players because they wanted to protect them. That is very good. I agree. But then you are not seeing the other thing. This has an effect on the male players who don't get scholarship. See, that is going to create a lot of mental and emotional problems. This will affect the sports as such. It will affect, initially, now you say women are affected, then men will be affected. So what the point is, let us not segregate women in any aspect of working together. Like China, you had same uniform for everybody.
Correct.
You isolate yourself as a player, nothing more. And all the rules apply to all the people. This has to be done. And then we isolate that rules and follow it. And also, the more you try to understand the culture of the place. See, the Western culture is different, Indian culture is different, different countries have their own cultures. And these cultures have different ways of living. As you said, the women players have certain problem. They are okay till they are 18 or 19. They can go out anywhere and play. Once they get married, the whole situation changes. What are you going to do? You are going to completely change the culture of the country, or just for the sake of table tennis or sports? So these are all the issues we have to sit together in a large extent. It is not a small thing. It's a great thing to sit together, women and men and the government and the TTFI, sit together and plan in a large scale. It's not a small thing which you can do it in 1 day or 2 days. There are so many problems which will go on arising. We have to understand them first, try to find a way to solve them, and then act to solve them. Okay? Thank you very much.
I think, Dr. Iyer, in this case, either 1 year or 2 years program should be made. But there should be a program of duration of 1 year or 2 years. That is how the things will be beneficial.
You see, our Ministry of Sports is doing excellent work. I'm sorry for interfering. Just can I finish one sentence?
Yes, sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ministry of this thing, the KELO program and etc. I think the ministry should take this up. How to, instead of isolating women and men players, how to put them together and try to make them understand you are not different. You are just human beings. The sex
That's
part
the
of
point.
it comes only after your marriage. Before that, there should be no sex part of it involved in this. That is the normal way of living. That is the culture of every country. It should be. If you start, nowadays the problem is a child goes to a primary school, they have a telephone number with them, and they have boyfriend and girlfriend and who to meet and who not to meet. And it's not at all a proper way for development. We have to keep certain things after certain age. Sports is meant for any age, that's all right. But then we have to isolate sex in different places. Sex is meant for marriage and child production. It is not for pleasure and enjoyment, not at the age of 12 and 10 and 15. Now the female children are menstruating at the age of 10 and 11 and 12, which used to be 18 years sometime back. The psychology is creating all this problem. We as human beings, our culture, understand and create an atmosphere for male and female to work together, knowing fully well what is right and what is wrong. Thank you.
Anita wanted to say something. Anita? Anita? Can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Dr. Sainath has made a point that everyone is equal. Male, female, everyone is equal. There, as a player, there should be no difference between the gender.
Just a second.
Dr. Sainath has made a point that in sports, in table tennis, both the genders are equal genders, male and female. There is no difference once you are in a table tennis room. There is no difference between male and female player. You are only a player.
Correct.
I think she is lost. Or
Sir,
No, she is there.
can you hear us?
Some technical
No.
mistake.
No.
It's
What we are trying to say that once we are playing table tennis, then both the genders are equal genders. You are only a player.
Yes, sir.
So there is no special privilege, no special privilege for male or female. Both are equal genders. They are absolutely same because both are players.
sir, should I say something?
Yeah, Sadhana ji, yes.
Yeah, sir has rightly said. It is really a very good point what he has raised. But sir, there are some problems in the society. So for that, we need to educate them first, for parents and all. So it will take some time to just bridge this gap and make them realize that this is player is really a player, and this is very good point. But that should be in their mind. We should make it them. Yes, you are a player. You are not boy. You are not a girl. Otherwise, the problems come. It comes because of they lack some knowledge and they don't have this kind of a broader prospect in their mind.
So-
Family in a school, we are growing with this thought that yes, he is a boy, she is a girl. We are grown up with that tendency, so it is very difficult to erase it all of a sudden. I think, I'm sorry, but it is very good if from the very beginning, if we do go with this idea. So that is a very relevant point, and that is a very fruitful, very good point. Yes, sir.
So
I see.
bridging the gap, that is the main key line, is bridge
Yeah,
the gap.
yeah.
Bridging the gap is the main thing.
Yes.
Once a month.
In family also, in family, as a child grows from the birth, it is written that boy and girl, different starts from the family, which we can see in the society. It is a reflection of whatever we see in the. Yes, sir. Am I right or wrong? But we should teach
Correct.
them. This is a very good point. If we teach, we need to educate boys as well as girls that yes, from every front of the society, so we can remove this problem. Thank you, sir.
Getting one no. Share Mall. Who is Share Mall?
Okay.
Nice photo.
Okay, Ajay sir.
Yeah, Lokesh.
I just want, as we have just covered all the basic points of our today's topic, empowerment and gender equality, and Mr. Iyer sir always concluded very well. Sainath Iyer sir cover in their short speech. They cover all the key points of our today's discussion, and ma'am Sadhana ma'am also give some of the very good points to we have to work at means educate them kids or children of both the genders, and Sandeep sir also given very key points talking about the safety of safe environment for the kids.
I think we
And,
should give a chance to Sandeep to express the problem, because he's a wheelchair player for last 5 years, so he's unable to go to different places because there is no ramp where he can actually take his wheelchair to play.
But
That is the
sir,
biggest.
But I have a request for all the means speakers and participants, that we are just talking about the means how to guidelines, about guidelines. So if they can help us to prepare a guideline for means academy or club, to provide a safe environment for kids or children's, means what should be guidelines, how should we make players to follow them. So Sainath Iyer sir and Sadhana ma'am and Anita too, Anita Mahajan too, you also have to prepare short guideline for
Guideline about?
provide
Safe
guideline
environment.
for the safe environment for kids
Okay,
to
safe
play.
environment.
Means what should be the guidelines in points, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, like that. 10 points is sufficient. That means there should be a CCTV camera, or there is a proper meeting between parents, coach as well as player. And what are the guidelines? Suppose some event, some accident will happen at that situation, how will it impact on the player point of view as well as parents? Means there should be a clear cut terms condition for the player. What should be the clear cut terms condition when he
Yeah.
or she join the academy, or join means to provide a safe environment, especially because sir also told that gender equality is good, empowerment is good, but we also maintain minimize the gap between for both boys and girls, both are
Yes.
equal.
Yeah.
So I just request all of them, so just prepare on at your level guideline, means what to do and what not to do and
And
don't.
we should, we should approach
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
parents, support of
Yeah,
parents.
yeah,
We should
yeah, yeah.
educate parents. That is
Right.
very important. Very important
Yeah.
point. Very important.
So I am just leaving a. I have also in chat box I have send a link. So just take a 5 minute or 2 minute when someone is speaking. So you just fill that, and I also send a link over there, WhatsApp link. So just send me your name and address. So we will further touch with each other and provide a draft a particular guidelines for all the academies at a grassroots level, how to provide safe environment for kids.
I think Sandeep wants to say something. Sandeep?
Yes, sir, I have done.
Yeah.
सर लोकेश सर
Yes,
इस चीज में मैं थोड़ा सा अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूंगा.
Yes, sir.
जैसे मैंने आपको कैमरे का बताया एक तो,
Right.
एक मैं जैसे भी सैटरडे संडे जब जैसे भी बच्चों का मैचेस होते हैं, उस दिन सभी के आप पॉइंट्स भी दिए जाते हैं कि भाई आपकी ये पॉजिटिव रहा, ये नेगेटिव रहा. तो हम उस चीज को ना वहां पर सभी बच्चों के बीच में भी बोला जाए कि देखो आपसे कोई भी गलती होगी वो सारी बर्दाश्त
Right.
होगी, पर ये वाले इश्यूज कभी भी रिजॉल्व नहीं होंगे. इसमें आपके पेरेंट्स को भी बुलाया जाएगा और
नहीं
यहाँ
होंगे, right.
academy से भी निकाला जाएगा. तो उनको हर टाइम उस चीज पे मतलब फोकस रहना चाहिए कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हो सकता है. तो उसमें फिर वो थोड़ा सा
they are aware. They means kids should be aware, both male and female.
यस सर.
हाँ.
हमारे इंडिया में ना कोई भी चीज सिर्फ अवेयरनेस से नहीं चलता. वी हैव टू फोर्स देम कि अगर आप ये चीजें गलत करोगे तो आप एकेडमी से भी निकल जाएगा, आपके पेरेंट्स को भी बुलाया जाएगा.
आपको मैं संदीप जी एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं मैं आपको. कई बार बच्चे एक दूसरे का रैकेट चुरा लेते हैं जो है.
सर वो तो कैमरा में नॉर्मली पता चल जाता है ना।
नहीं लेकिन ये हमें रोकना है ना, वी हैव टू स्टॉप दिस जो है ना।
सर इसमें सीसीटीवी से बेस्ट कोई भी चीज नहीं है। बॉल चुरा लेते हैं बच्चों के, मतलब रैकेट चोरी हो जाते हैं, बच्चों के इक्विपमेंट्स चोरी हो जाते हैं, बच्चों के फोन चोरी हो जाते हैं। तो आप वो चीज सिर्फ कैमरा से उस चीज को हटा सकते हो।
ओके।
मेरे यहाँ पे 2-3 बार ऐसा इश्यू हुआ था, उसके बाद ही मैंने ये चीजें स्टार्ट की थी।
So can we conclude today's session या कुछ और डॉक्टर साईनाथ would like to say?
थोड़ा सा पर्सनल आपसे एक था बात।
तो पर्सनल करेंगे ना।
नहीं वो जो आपने एबल के लिए बोला था मेरे को एक, तो क्या आप उसकी प्लीज कुछ कोटेशंस वगैरह बता सकते हैं कि कितना क्या कुछ रेट पड़ेगा?
वो स्टैग की टेबल का जो
स्टैग की जो व्हीलचेयर के लिए।
हाँ, वो तो हम उनसे अभी मतलब उनसे कोटेशन लिया नहीं है। अगर आप कहेंगे तो मैं डेफिनेटली ले लूंगा। विवेक कोहली जी हैं हमारे पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट जो है।
तो सर डायरेक्ट मैं ये तो नहीं कह सकता कि मैं परचेज करूंगा। अगर मैं
नहीं आपके बिहाफ पे हम पूछ लेंगे, आपके बिहाफ पे मैं पूछ लूंगा जो आई आस्क।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। ये डॉक्टर साईनाथ कुछ कहना मतलब फाइनली कुछ जो है टुडेज कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क्स।
Yes, one point I wanted to, from the discussion that raised, is very clear. What normally happens on the road is 12 o'clock in the night, there is no traffic, red light is on. Then what do we do? Do we wait for the red light or for the green to come, or we just pass through?
Pass through.
We pass through because the police is not there. If the police is there, then they won't. So what we are trying to say is the two difference. One is discipline, the other one is moral, ethical way. We have to teach our children what is moral and ethical way, which our subconscious mind should tell them what they should do. We can't all the time wait for police to be there to discipline our activities. If the moral, ethical value is taught to them, even if it is red light, if there's no traffic, they will not cross the red light. That is what we have to teach, whether it is boy or a girl. Once this has been done, then what is there in let man and woman and boy and a girl play together? Once they know the moral, the ethical values, then there is no problem. No police is required. No camera is required anywhere. They will be their own camera. That is what we have to develop. If you want women and men to play together, we have to develop this internal control rather than the outside control. And we have to have more lecture and discussion between man, women, players and the coaches. We should have more from the parents and the coaches. We should have more talks with associations and the players and the coaches. And we should have more discussion with DGFI. We should have more discussion with ministry. We should have more discussion to understand each other's requirement and what is the requirement of government, the problems of government, problems of TTFI in following whatever we tell them. They have their own problems. So we should know them. So we should sit together, plan it properly, as you very correctly said, make a points of discussion, what is to be done, set it out, think over it, and start thinking action. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Ajay sir.
Yeah, so this was our final meeting with the PSIUS Lokesh Singh Bagadi, and because our sports activities are opening up next week, so we are sorry that we will not be in a position to continue the next Zoom meeting in capacity of Ping Pong Club. But yes, Lokesh Singh Bagadi is the complete in charge. We have already told Lokesh Bagadi he can take the full control for Zoom meetings. But from our side, it is the final edition. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
So there, ma'am, and sir, there will be a next week Sunday topic will be table tennis equipments.
Okay.
So if you free, you can join it.
Sure, I will. Thank you so
And
much.
1, 2, 3, come on.